Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. Gonna do something a little bit different here. We're gonna give this about a 5-minute walk around. Not gonna be as detailed as my normal videos, but let's see how it looks. 2011 Monaco Cayman 36 PFT, 37 feet, 6 inches overall. It is a triple slide. You got a full body slide right here on the driver's side, and then 2 additional slides for the bed and the dinette on the passenger side. It's got a 340 6.7 liter Cummins engine. It is a diesel pusher. See, we got a couple batteries there, some more right there. Beautiful full body paint color scheme. Central vac system in that compartment. Nice full pass-through storage, goes both ways. Then you also got an inverter right there. And when we jump inside, right when you walk in. So this slide literally goes all the way down. And then this slide is just for the dinette. Halfway decent viewing angle for the TV. Lots of counter space with solid surface countertops throughout. It does have a 4-door refrigerator that will be propane or electric. Your whole control panel right in the middle. Central vac system with your tow kick. Very nice. Bathroom, midship, corner shower. Very spacious. And of course, your porcelain toilet, same countertops in the bathroom. A little bit of pantry storage on the right. This slide literally all the way to the washer and dryer compartment. Lots of drawers. And then a sleep number bed right here that's also on a slide. This coach is currently for sale at the Dada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. My name's Taylor Coyle. If you have any questions, I'd love to help you out. I'll put all my contact info in the description box below and a link to this unit on our website. Give me a call, shoot me a text, email me, let me know how I can help. Thanks for checking out this video.